Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Binance ID. First, navigate to the official Binance website or download their mobile application. You will then need to register your new account using either your email address or a valid phone number. It is crucial to create a strong, unique password during this step to ensure the highest level of security for your new account. Remember to keep your login details confidential. After registration, the next essential step is to verify your identity. This process, known as KYC, involves submitting specific personal documents. You will need to upload a clear photograph of a government-issued identification document, such as your passport or driver's license. Following this, you'll complete a facial verification scan using your device's camera to confirm your identity. Securing your Binance account is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for an additional layer of protection. You can choose between Google Authenticator or SMS verification for your 2FA method. Furthermore, setting up an anti-phishing code helps you identify legitimate emails from Binance, safeguarding you from potential scams and fraudulent communications. Once your account is secure and verified, you're ready to deposit funds. Binance supports various payment methods, allowing you to easily add money to your account. With funds available, you can then explore the wide range of cryptocurrencies and begin your trading journey. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.